So I decided to add a screen protector to this Apple Watch 9 because it already has a few hairline scratches, so protecting it seemed like a good idea. I went with a Hydrogel screen protector for that smooth, flexible finish. Inside this kit includes dust remover sticker, cleaning cloth, a wet wipes, and the Hydrogel protector. First, I made sure the screen was completely cleaned to avoid trapping dust. The protector came with a handy alignment frame, making it super easy to line up perfectly. Just giving it another quick wipe for good measure. Now it's time to carefully apply the screen protector. The corner guides make sure you can't go wrong with the alignment. We use the included tool here to smooth out any bubble. Notice this screen protector produces a slight iridescent effect. We now install the tough armor case, so let's see how it fits. There's no problem at all. The screen protector doesn't lift the tough armor case or get in the way. After everything was done, I noticed a tiny air bubble, thanks to some microscopic speck that snuck in. I tried running the squeegee over it again, but it's still there. For anyone who's a bit obsessive, this might be annoying, but I've decided to just roll with it. Better than nothing to protect the screen, right? What do you think? Is a screen protector worth it for your Apple Watch? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.